Really quick, let's get to Farmer Tice in Phoenix. Farmer, we only got a minute, so real quick, go ahead.
Here's my important question. My son's GSG 1911 semi-automatic pistol occasionally has been misfiring, and I've looked up for problems, and I find too many different things. I just want to turn to you because you're the expert, and I know you can come up with a solution.
Now, that stands for German Sporting Guns. These are an imported 1911 N22, kind of like the old Colt Ace. Absolutely a fantastic gun. I think the gun is very well made and shoots quite well. If he's having problems, the first thing I would go to is different. Yeah, it's 22s are notorious for being persnickety on ammo. The first thing I would try is a completely different style ammo. You'd need to break it down and clean it. Call us next week with what you
And don't
got.
dry fire it.
Yeah, and don't dry fire it.